guys, my name's Boy Real Fan. So a little bit this thing unusual today. I do like a partial face reveal. So like my hair, only just that, but then I just have like this and a mask on. That way, nothing really bad happens to my YouTube channel because I don't really want anything to go down. Yeah, just a quick disclaimer into YouTube moderators or the community. There's a guardian while on set. That way my ears don't have any damage to them for the loud train noises. And speaking of trains, today is the day we go on the Starlight for the first time to Oxnard, which is one stop to the next. It's technically just to the next stop. It's gonna be good. I'll review our Coach C and the sightseer car. I'm not sure if there's gonna be much to see out of the sightseer car, so I searched just from Simi to Oxnard, so I'm not really sure. And I was gonna do a mini golf tour, but I'm not gonna do that. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Before I actually start the video, if you like the video later on, consider subscribing. It's free, and you can subscribe at any time. But I genuinely appreciate it. Oh, and consider liking too. Anyways, now the video can start. Let's go. Alright, I meant to do that. Alright guys, so I am at the station right now. I look a little bit different than I do in the intro. Cause the same day I was gonna upload it, we waited an hour, train got canceled. Very sad. So it's been 2 weeks. We are finally here. And the train got delayed again. Like train's gonna arrive. It's like the train's gonna arrive at 10:49. It's like 11:56. So, anyways, stick around, and we're about to get on the train. The train's not here yet. So, I'll come back to you guys when the train arrives. Yo, guys. So I have 3 goals for this trip. Number 1, enjoy the trip. Number 2, see an ALC 42, and 3, get to try out some Amtrak brownies. Heard they're pretty good, and I just did the train right now. Alright guys, here's Ghost Electric number 14. If it's gonna pop up, cause that's a curve. Alright, it's not a Siemens Charger, it's a P42DC. It's a General Electric Genesis. The train looks long today. Yep. Guys, we just departed, and that was a pretty that train came very soon. And you see the train up there on the curve. It's just passing the station. The train's pretty smooth actually. All right, for seating arrangements, we have this leg rest that if I lay down, I can reach. Got another rest. It's not the updated chair, but it's pretty good. Recline. It's already fully reclined, I think. Yeah. And then right now we're out here, stopped for a down tree in Santa Barbara, which is our destination. And this is a tray table. Extend it out. And my plushie. Yeah. Anyway, the seat is still pretty comfortable though, so I would still recommend it. And no, they did not have the brownie, but I hope they will on the return trip. We're still waiting here. We've been waiting for a pretty long time. I was able to use the restroom in time. Got 2 power outlets. And, I'm actually just probably gonna unplug it soon because it's getting a little bit a little bit warm. And overall, this trip's been pretty good. We already went through Oxnard and we're held up at a beach in Ventura. And take a look at that view. That's awesome. Anyways, we'll see you guys at Santa Barbara. The thing I want to mention is my plushie. So, jiggle check, but also jiggles the chair. And it's pretty detailed. This logo right here is braided. So it's not. This one looks good. How about if I just do this? Okay, that actually looks cool. Yeah, these cost $22.95. And so show you more information at Santa Barbara once we get there after the down tree. All right, guys, it's 1:30. The train is now on its way. We just got a thing from the conductor saying that the tree has been moved and now we're off. So we should be there, and they said it's about 35 minutes away, so we're probably gonna arrive at Santa Barbara around 2 o'clock. Anyways, see you guys there. All right, everybody, we are now stopped at Santa Barbara, and look at this. We get the first view of the train for today. So over there, it's 2 coaches. That coach right there, that's what I was standing at. And here's the lounge. They didn't have brownies, but in 4 hours we'll get to see if they do. And up there are the B-42DCs, right up there. So yeah, we'll be back in 4 hours to be back on the street. These are the all aboard call. The train's about to leave. All right, everybody, it's now departing. And there it goes. That's the car we were in right there. Coach baggage. No, that's a lot of smoke coming from the locomotive. Kind of odd. Alright, guys, so we're currently here back at Santa Barbara Station. So I'm going to give you some fun facts about it. So first fun fact, the station was opened in 1995. These tracks are owned by Union Pacific on the Santa Barbara subdivision. As the namesake at Santa Barbara.
Train number 777 will be arriving at 5:55 p.m.
Well, it's right at 6:01, but nah. There's 2 platforms. That's our platform. I'm standing on the platform. See right there, there's a bunch of crossings over there. Got the station crossing. Another couple crossings. Then this was on the other side, like I showed you. Anyways, I'll get back to you guys once the train arrives. Here it comes. For us, so much of the tracks. There is the Surfliner. Gotta cover my ears, cause yeah. gonna be stopping right now. And that is an Extra California car! Yay! Wait. It's the same train car! I don't know how, but that's the same train car. And that's awesome. Alright, there goes the Surfliner. There it goes. With snow cones? What? Alright guys. So is it, oh my god. It is the new locomotive. So that is awesome. There it is. Alright. There it is. There it is. That train horn sounds weird. Guys, so something a little bit different about this one. This is stiff, so to hold this one, then push it in that way, and the leather's different, so it's a little bit less comfortable than the other one, but we're still in Ventura. Next station is Oxnard, and pretty good condition. We have the lights on up here, pretty glare. Looks like a lot of glare, and well, I'm not gonna be there for like another 10 minutes. So, I'll get Oxnard down for y'all. Oh yeah, and do not forget the sightseer lounge. We'll review that too, maybe. All right, everybody, we are now departing Oxnard Station. Next stop. Our last stop. That's the car we were in. What is this? That's different.